I'm gonna quickly go over how to configure the LED on the software. So this one is smartlct, and when you create a new project, you can name it the booth number or the name, I don't know, booth number, whatever, right? And then device is the controller name. So generally we use the MCTRL 4K, the 660. We also have some VX4S as well, but you have to choose the controller correctly, okay? And the cabinet selection will be the LED cabinet itself. And right now, type, we have cabinets that are 192 by 192 pixel per cabinet, but if it's something different, I know the absents are 200 by 200, I think, then we can create a new cabinet type. So absent, and then we can do 200 by 200, or whatever the cabinet it is that you are using. So I can just do like this, and then cabinet columns and rows, depending on the configuration of the LED wall that you're setting up. So let's do 10 by 5. And then the source resolution would be, you would have to do the math. So that would be, for the width, it's 10 columns, right? So 10 times 200 would be 2000. And then 200 by 5 would be 1000. So that would be the source. The source resolution would be the actual, just a regular resolution of the contents. So it could be, my bad. And the connection type, we'll just do it manually. Okay. So here it is. So first thing that you want to make sure is you do it in the back view, not the front view. Okay. Because we'll be doing the cabling from the back side. And we have them on here on the left side. We have the device. So sometimes if the LED wall is really big, you'll have multiple devices, but for something like 10 by 5, we can probably just use one. And then you'll click the first port, and then choose where you start. So that's where your home run, your long cable is going to go. And then you just drag and drop accurately through the circle to however long that's going to be, the signal is going to be. And then you can even keep on daisy chaining. I'm not sure what the limit is. It's either 10 or 15, but we'll have the diagrams for each LED wall required, so you won't have to calculate it yourself. Now go to the next port number 2 for the next home run. And necessarily doesn't necessarily have to be, have to stop at an edge. If it hits the limit, like we could stop it here. Port 3 for the home run. So we can start here, right? And we go this way. Alright, so now we have three ports of signal home runs, signal daisy chains. Okay, so this is number 1, number 2, and number 3. I'm gonna click this again, and see, right now it's on back view, but if it's on front view, it goes this way, and it has to be correct, because if you don't diagram it correctly to the correlating to the way we actually physically cabled it, it's not gonna come on the video wall correctly. I don't know what this is right now, but anyways, I'm just showing you the general thing. So once you set that up, all you have to do, make sure the USB is connected from your computer to the controller, right? And after all of the physical cables are set up too, you just push send. I'm not connected to anything, so it's not gonna work, but fingers crossed, that's all you need to do. And the contents from the player to the controller to the LED video wall should be set. Okay.